the box arrived, guys, so I guess I just need to do an unboxing, and no time like the present. Let's see what this F9 piece of lens looks like. Wow, it's got a glow to it, must be the white paint. Anyway. Oh, look at this. Wow. There it is, shiny box, can even see myself in it. Anyway, let's rip it apart. I just need to open this box and open another box. It's like one of those babushka dolls or something. You have to take a break here and cut that tape. Chop, chop, chop. Open up this one. And wow, another piece of cardboard. That's good. It's going to be a day of recycling. Handy strap. And then the boost. There it is. It's actually really, really light. It's a chunk. It's big, but that's to be expected. But yeah, it's damn light. Anyway, see how it goes. Here we go. You can see the lens has been mounted onto the camera, and Canon have made this one in an Arctic camouflage, which is really good for sneaking up on penguins. But anyway, one of the things that you're going to have to do as your first mod is to put one of these bad boys on there. Alright, it's just a red ring, and what that's going to do is improve sharpness, colour rendition tenfold. It's going to reduce glare and really improve your photos.